Lesson 2.4, this is finding measures of vertical, adjacent, and complementary angles. I love these because they're like little puzzles to me. You're just trying to figure out what the angles add to, or if you've got a linear pair, if you got vertical angles, all that good stuff. Okay, so it says find the measure of the missing angle. Number one, we've got a linear pair here because I see a straight line with a ray coming out. So I'm just writing this if you want to write that down, that this is called a linear pair. Remember they equal 180 degrees total. So to find A, you would have to do 180 minus 83, which should give you 97 degrees for A. All right, number two, this makes our X shape. Those are called vertical angles. And vertical angles means that this angle here, that's 123 degrees, opposite or straight across from that is its vertical pair or vertical angle. So C is also 123 degrees. And then the two that are adjacent or next to each other, since this is a line, these two should make 180. So you do 180 minus 23. Which would be 57, 157. And that's it. All right, number three is a new word we haven't talked about, but you should know that complementary angles, that means that they equal 90 degrees. They can be side by side, or they don't have to be. They could be separate. But when you see this box, you know that this makes 90 degrees total. So you would do 90 minus 54, which would be 36 degrees for A. All right, then they start getting a little harder. You gotta solve for multiple things, but we can do it. Okay, the first thing I would do is figure out like this 105 degree angle. It is made up by this line. I'm gonna extend it all the way out, and this line, and extend it all the way out. Once you see the X, you can figure out that, hey, this angle and this angle, they're vertical. They have to equal each other. So D should be 105 degrees. Okay, I'm going to do that again with the 32 degree angle. So it is made up by this line, I'm going to extend it, and this line. So when you see your X, here and here should be the same. Those are your verticals. Okay, so from there, you've got some different options. There's always multiple options. I'm going to pick this. So if I cover this up, see there's a line here, and then there's 1, 2, 3 angles on this line. They should make 180 degrees total. So I would do 180 minus 105 minus 32. Which is 43. Okay. Number 5, I see a right angle right here, and I see a line. So these have to make 180. Well, if 90 of it's here, this also has to be 90 or a right angle. Okay, then I see my 119 up here. Here's an X, so this angle is formed by this line I'm going to extend, and this line to extend. So this angle and this angle have to be the same. And then from there, if I cover this up, I've got a straight line here. And I would find it, this F, by taking 180 minus 119, which is 61. Number 6, again, I see a line here. So that means that total, this is 180, but 90 of it's right here. So if that's 90, 180 minus 90 is 90 left between here. Just think 180 minus 90 is 90, minus the 50 would leave me with 40. Because 40 plus 50 is 90, 90 plus 90, can't even see that, is 180. All right, and last one. We've got another right angle here. So we know that's 90. Now y is not just 90. Y is the measure of this 90 plus whatever this little angle is. Okay, but I do see a straight line right here. So this has to be 180 total. So I can do 180 minus 90, which is 90, minus 58, which is 32 degrees for the x. And then if I show you this angle here, that's x, is formed by this line that I extend and this line that I extend. This angle here and this angle here should be the same. They're vertical. So this would be 32. Now I need to find y. Y is going to be found by taking the 90 plus the 32 because they're adjacent angles here. That's the angle addition postulate. So that would be 122 degrees.